Welcome to my new channel. I'm Rachna Ranjini Rajesh and this is Rachna's Vlog World. So today you might be thinking what we're gonna do today. So by the title you can see that we're gonna answer some questions and you guys can know me better. This is my first video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe and go hit the bell icon fast so you'll get notified when I post a brand new video. So let's go into it. So guys, I got my phone here and I can answer some of your questions. So let's go with the first question. So my first question is, what is your favorite place to visit? My favorite place to visit is London. Actually, I'm not really going to visit there. I'm going to do my higher studies over there. I really want to do higher studies over there. So yeah, it's my dream to go there. Yeah, so that's it. What do you do in these lockdowns? So actually, I don't do much in lockdown. എന്നാലും എനിക്കിപ്പോൾ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലുണ്ട് അപ്പം ലൈക്ക് ഐ ഹാവ് അനദർ വൺ ഓൾസോ അപ്പം എനിക്ക് അങ്ങനെ ആകുമ്പോൾ ഐ എം റിയലി ഹാപ്പി ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ ഉണ്ട് ആൻഡ് ദെൻ you know, like you can spend a lot of time with your parents and yeah, it's really fun. But also you'll miss your friends though. During lockdown you're not supposed to move or something, so yeah, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. പക്ഷെ പ്രത്യേകിച്ചൊന്നുമില്ല. But then like സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. Like usually when normal days are like morning school comes back, I have dance class in the evening. Like coming after school, we don't have time to talk. We eat, sleep, and then evening we have class, get up, get ready, go for dance class, come back, eat, sleep. The same routine again and again. But then after getting online class, it's like better. People do have job. I'm not telling they don't have. In the first, when corona came, like it was really good. Like kids and all are like, we got holiday, we got free from school. But then after that they're like, this is gonna go forward, and then we all got, it was okay for us and I was really happy. I don't know why, but then yeah. Then after that I was really sad. I wanted to go to school for this semester. 7th I was okay when online, but when this semester came, 8th, I was really sad because I wanted to see my teachers. I want to go into uniform. I want to go there. I want to see my new friends. I want to see my new class teachers. Everything was so excited. I wanted to go. I thought it would be okay in 2021, but then no change. Second corona came. I'm like, you know, no, it's like, you know how it feels, right? So let's go to the next question. So, do you want another puppy? If yes, which breed? My dream dog is husky. I really want a husky. എനിക്ക് ഹസ്കി കുഞ്ഞിലെ മുതൽ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. അപ്പം എനിക്ക് ഹസ്കി വേണമെന്ന് ഭയങ്കര ആഗ്രഹം, പക്ഷെ ഇറ്റ്സ് cost a lot. So like yeah, I really want a husky, and yeah, I may get a new puppy. Questions. The next question is, where are you from? I am from Oman, Muscat. In India, I'm in Kerala, Trivandrum. Currently settled in Trivandrum. Okay, let's go to the next question. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. I'm addicted to caffeine a lot actually. I like Starbucks a lot. Yeah, you see, you get this frappes in like a bottle, no? I get that. I have a lot of fun. One full side of my fridge is that only. So yeah, every evening I need a cup of coffee because I like sleeping a lot. But night I don't like sleeping because night it's a mood of watching movies, so I don't like sleeping in the night. I don't know why. I stay awake in night. If in the morning I'll sleep. Wherever I get, I will sleep. Even if it's in the couch or ground also, I will sleep. If there's no blanket, there's no pillow, so yeah. So I like coffee, by the way. Yeah. Next question. What are your favorite pet? My favorite pets, I'm not into birds that much, but I like my dogs. I have 3 dogs. And comment down below if you want a pet introduction video. Comment down below if you want. And I have 3 dogs, Rosita, Rebecca, they both are sisters, and now brandly new I got Raven, We call him Peanut though, but then yeah, we also call him Raven. So yeah, we have 3 dogs. Actually, I like them so much, but then I'm more into dogs and cats. Not too much into cats, but then yeah, I'm a dog person actually. But then yeah, my dad and me, not actually. I'm a craze of animals too. Not I like parrots, and I like dogs, cats, rabbits, hamsters. I like, but I'm a bit afraid of rats. I don't like rats. But then yeah, yeah. Do you miss anyone or anything right now? I miss my dad, and I miss, my friends and my cousins, everybody actually. I literally miss my friends a lot more than my cousins, because I'm not that close to my cousins, but then yes, I do miss them. I literally want to go to India and see them, but then currently I miss my friends a lot, because they used to come to my house. And if you see this picture, this I took it on my birthday. So yeah, they used to come to my house and all for dance class for online, and it's really fun actually to meet them. But then during this lockdown and COVID increased, not able to do that much. But then yeah, it's fun going on. Let's go to the next question. Okay, which was the first video you uploaded in YouTube? My first video I uploaded in YouTube was Yad Piyaki in Our Angels. That's our dance YouTube channel. So please go subscribe to it, and I'll put the link down below in the description box. So please go subscribe to the channel. That's our dance channel actually. So yeah, my first video posting in that, our first video was actually Yad Piyaki, me and my mom dancing. So yeah. What are your favorite things to do? So my favorite things to do actually, I don't know. I don't do stuffs like that actually. Yeah, I just like sitting chill, watching TV a lot, scrolling through Insta, TikTok. Huh. And by the way, the questions are from Insta. I got some questions from my friends, some from my followers, some from you guys. I'm really happy, and some from TikTok too. So yeah. And yeah, I don't do much stuffs, but then my favorite thing is to dance, and it's not a hobby though, it's my passion to dance. It's like art. So yeah, nothing much. I like taking TikTok videos a lot. So yeah. Let's go to the next question. Your favorite series? My favorite series, I don't know. I guess I like what's the guy's name? I forgot. Actually, I like I guess it's called Live Your Way. I guess I forgot the name. Yeah, I guess Live Your Way. Yeah, I guess it's Live Your Way. So that's it. That's my favorite series actually. I like Live Your Way. Yeah, so let's go to the next question. Next question. From where do you buy your clothes? I buy most of my clothes from RMB, Rio, Nesto, Lulu. But mostly I buy from RMB. Yeah, my favorite store is RMB. So yeah. Do I have a boyfriend? No. Next question. Who is your inspiration for dance, and why did you choose dance as your passion? My inspiration to dance are my parents. Actually, they both are really great, amazing. Actually, they are my inspiration actually for dance. And dance as my passion is like, it's like, ഞാൻ പറയണമെന്നില്ല ഡാൻസ് എൻ്റെ പാഷനായിട്ട് വരണമെന്ന്. എന്നാലും എനിക്ക് തോന്നിയത് dance എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഒരു ഡ്രീം പോലെയാണ്. എത്രയായാലും from small, from very young age I started dancing, and yeah, I was really young and it was very fun actually. But then, dance, yeah, from there I got inspiration, and dance I took as a passion. It's not like a choice I have to take, that is what I'm supposed to do. So yeah, what do you do when you're free? What I do when I'm free? Actually, I don't do much stuffs. I just, I'm always free nowadays. It's like after online class, I have my extra curriculum and my extra classes, and then till from 1 to 6 I am fully free. I just watch YouTube, get new contents for my YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't know that much. Okay. What's my favorite color? My favorite color is, first favorite is pink, then comes black, purple, blue. Yeah, so let's go some other questions. Wow, the next question is who is a celebrity crush? So my celebrity crush is I like, but then I like, look, whoever I have a crush on have been married, and recently I got a new crush. Not very recently, but then yeah, and that's the person who did not get married yet. So I used to have a crush on Varun Dhawan and Allu Arjun. I like him from old, like when, yeah, I like him, yeah, a lot. Not like as I'm a fan of him. And I have my celebrity crush. Who else? Vijay Deverakonda and Arjun Das. Yes, that's all. Who's your boyfriend? I don't have a boyfriend. Why do people ask me this? I don't have a boyfriend. When did you start dancing? I started dancing when I was around 2 or 3 I started dancing. Yeah, like whenever in dance class, whenever they put a song, I start moving my hands and my legs. So yeah, that's what my parents told. So yeah. Your favorite picture? My favorite picture, I have 2-3 of them. I like this picture, and this is my favorite picture in 2020. I took this picture when I went to the mall actually, and it's like I went to the mall with my friends. It was her birthday, so we're just hanging out, and so that time she took it on her phone. So I like this picture, and I like this picture too. It's really fun because in this picture is like I'm in Jabal Shams, and yeah, the background is nice, and I like this picture too. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video, and comment down below some other videos, some other good content you want me to do, and some other things would you want me to do. And go subscribe, put the bell icon, press the bell icon so you get notified. And hope you guys like this video, and please do like, share and subscribe. And hope you guys like this video, and comment down below if you want something else for me to do. Okay, let's go, bye.